નમસ્કાર, હું મનીષા, આપ જોઈ રહ્યા છો સ્પાર્ક ટુડે ન્યૂઝ। અફઘાનિસ્તાનની હાલની પરિસ્થિતિને લઈને વડોદરામાં અભ્યાસ અર્થે આવી રહેલા જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ છે તેઓ ચિંતામાં મુકાયા છે। વડોદરાની એમએસ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અભ્યાસ અર્થે આવ્યા છે। મહારાજા સયાજરાવ યુનિવર્સિટીની વિવિધ ફેકલ્ટી, સાયન્સ ફેકલ્ટી, સોશિયલ વર્ક ફેકલ્ટીમાં તેઓ અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છે, પરંતુ હાલની અફઘાનિસ્તાનની પરિસ્થિતિને લઈને પોતાના પરિવારજનો માટે તેઓ ચિંતિત બન્યા છે। ભારત તેમજ અમેરિકા જેવા જે દેશો છે તેઓ મદદ કરે તેવી અપેક્ષા તેઓ કરી રહ્યા છે। 13 જેટલા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં અત્યારે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છે। હાલની જો વાત કરવામાં આવે તો તાલિબાની બર્બરતાના કારણે સરકાર ઉપર કેટલાક સવાલો ઉઠ્યા છે। હાલ આ જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ છે ખૂબ જ ચિંતામાં છે, તેઓના પરિવારજનોને લઈને ચિંતામાં છે, જેને લઈને સરકાર કહી શકાય અમેરિકા અને ભારત જેવી જે સરકારો છે તે મદદ કરે તેવી અપેક્ષા તેઓ દ્વારા રાખવામાં આવી છે। જોઈએ શું કહેવું છે તેમનું।
Yes, as you might have heard about the president of Afghanistan that yesterday in the afternoon he left Afghanistan, and after 2 or 3 hours just we have seen a message on his Facebook that he wrote, due to not killing the people by Taliban, I had 2 options, either to leave the Afghanistan or fight against the Taliban. Then he said, because I'm going to protect the civilians of Afghanistan, that's why I left Afghanistan and I didn't fight against Taliban.
But you have a 3 lakh army men and just fighting with the 75,000 Talibani, but they are not fighting. It's a big humble.
Exactly, it is somehow a serious question that everyone is asking. I think it is not only the government of Afghanistan, the people that they are asking this question all over the world, the people are asking why they didn't fight. But what I think, there were a lot of hands behind this game, that they forced the government of Afghanistan that you should not fight against the Taliban, as we were witnessed that all the centers, especially the army centers, they just surrendered to Taliban without any fighting, and even they didn't shot only 1 bullet. That's why they all submitted to Taliban.
20 years American government and American soldier will ready to help you at any time. When the government and the soldiers came out from the Afghanistan, their Afghan government surrendered for Taliban?
Exactly. One thing that it is really somehow confusing everyone, that in 20 years we had a lot of opportunities, we had a lot of achievements, we worked on our capacity in terms of military, democracy, freedom, everything. But one of the reasons that I think caused this serious problem is the irresponsible leaving of USA Army, because they left Afghanistan in a bad situation without thinking about the future of Afghanistan.
You are a student from
I'm a student
from, and now you are trying to go in Afghanistan or not?
Actually, it is very difficult now. I will finish first for 1 year my master program. Then after that, because I was an employee of government in Afghanistan, it is very difficult for me to go back in Afghanistan. I might be in a serious danger.
You are trying to going out there or not?
Well, actually, even it is not very clear. I cannot even decide should I go back or no. I myself am here, but my family is in Afghanistan. I cannot decide whether should I stay or should I go back to Afghanistan.
What is your good name?
Muhammad Ali Irfan.
Now the situation is not clear in Afghanistan because everything changed in one night and 3 days. Everything changed, and the people don't go to their offices in the government offices and international offices and another organization. Because in the first, when the Taliban captured some provinces, they told the women, you can't go to school, you can't go to university. For example, in Herat provinces, the gate of university is closed and the women cannot go to university. And in these days, all of people stay at home. But we don't know. We cannot guess what happened in the future. What happened for tomorrow.
Why your Afghan army didn't fight back?
Afghan army didn't fight. Taliban very easily captured all of countries.
But why your Afghan army didn't fight back in that situation?
I don't know. I don't know.
How you feel about your people in Afghanistan?
I am very worried about my family, especially my husband, because my husband studied PhD in here, and I am living here with my children. Last year we came here, and this year is the second year we are living here. Last week my husband went to Afghanistan for his PhD research, but everything changed in 3 days or 2 days, and now I am very worried, and I am very disappointed. And I am very anxious about my husband, because all of flights are cancelled in this moment, and the people cannot go to another country. And my husband is now in Kabul, but we just talking through internet sometimes, because the internet is not working good, and it is very bad situation.
Did you planning to go at Afghanistan?
I don't go to Afghanistan because in here I am safe.
Yes.
Yeah, but I am thinking about my husband. I just pray that my husband one day will come to Baroda, but sometimes I don't think good.
Okay. What message you want to say at Indian people?
I respect to all of Indian peoples. I am in here. I am safe. Indian people are peaceful people, because in here they live different people with different religion, but they live in here in peaceful, in peace. But I think Afghan people should learn from Indian people, and Indian people and another country in this moment should attention and should help Afghan people, because if the United States and another countries in the past that supported Afghanistan in these 20 years should support Afghanistan. If they don't support Afghanistan, they don't lose all of achievement in Afghanistan. Why they spend a lot of money in Afghanistan?